Good afternoon, peeps. I thought I would do a quick face and outfit of the day. I am going out for lunch shortly, so I thought I would start at the top and work my way down. My glasses are my usual carnation from Specsavers. My pearls were my mum's, which I am wearing. Bring her with me to lunch. My ring is a gift from my niece and my great niece and my great nephew a few years ago. Still wear it. I have my Fitbit on. Makeup wise, foundation is Lancome Tint Yall in 240. Eyeshadow, I am just wearing Sculpted by Amy bronzer on the cheeks and on the eyes. I'm wearing a little bit of halo powder by Elf over the whole thing. My brows are a combination of mystery and charcoal brown eyeshadows from MAC. My lips is Anastasia Beverly Hills in Mocha with a little bit of Gummy Bear, Lifter Gloss Gummy Bear by Maybelline on top. It's a pinky colour, but it doesn't show up as pinky. It just gives me a nice little gloss. Now, my friends, to my outfit of the clothes. Now, that's what you're interested in now, so fashion. Hold on a second. Now, folks, for the fashion, I'm wearing a long, flowy, it's quite lightweight dress, which I got in Dunnes Stores a couple of years back. I'm wearing, with that, a pair of wedged Rocket Dogs in black. Very comfortable, bit of fake tan on the legs as you do. And I'll come up close, you can have a look at the dress. That's it, just plain black. It's got a bit of spring, it's got pockets, girls, it's got pockets. They do have something similar in Dunnes at the moment. I'm not sure exactly how much the price of it is. I didn't look because I have black and I'm not really, I mean, if they had it in red, the very same dress, I'd top on it like a flying shite. Or if they had it in pink, oh my God, yes. So that is the full fit, lads. I have used a curling tongs, a 32-inch curling tongs, the large one on my hair. Not to curl it as such, because my hair does not take a curl, just to give it a little bit of movement. And a little bit of oil on it. L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil, just put through the ends to hide the frizz. And that's it, my friends. That is my face and my fit up today for lunch with my friends. So, there you go now, lads. I hope you've enjoyed. I will link anything I can find down below. These, of course, will not be linked. But anything I can link down below, I will link down below for you. For your shopping pleasure, so you can spend your plastic fantastic. And that would appear to be it now. I haven't been up on YouTube for a bit. My name's Amanda, Miss Glamazon here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, why in the name of holy God up in heaven above? Not. 'Tis free. 'Tis free as a bird. So go ahead, click the subscribe, click the little bell so you know when I get a bright idea, which is very often, but not always filmed. Anyway, I have no filter, folks. What comes in here, comes out here, isn't filtered. So that's the kind of honesty I like. And that's just the way I am. So anyway, my friends, I hope you have had a fabulous weekend and that you have a great week ahead. And I will see all of you lovely juvelies in my next video. And until then, bye.